Hi, I'm Matt Gallagher and we're here at the Canon Pro Photo Solutions show with David Perry to discuss the brand new Canon digital SLR. This is the EOS 1D Mark IV camera. So David, tell me a little bit about this camera. What's special about it?
Okay, well, what we've actually done with this camera is we've kept it very, very similar to the Mark III. That was a deliberate effort because we felt that users who use this camera will be familiar with the Mark III's layout and will want something they can pick up and use straight away. Most of the buttons are in the same position and do the same things. What we've actually done is some of the buttons, we have changed them in the respect of we've made them more positive to actually press, which gives you much more confidence that you have actually pushed the button and things are actually happening on the camera. Some of the contacts we've actually changed. On the side here we have HDMI input, which is obviously for the movies. We've also rubberized this fitting here, which is the cover for the Wi-Fi transmitter, which opens like that.
Fantastic. So sensor-wise, 16.1 is the sensor?
That's correct, yeah. We've got a brand new, developed from the ground up for this camera, which is a 16.1 million pixel camera, sensor. Yep. And this has a high ISO, a high base ISO of 12800, and it'll also go, you can expand that up to 102,400.
So has anything changed with the actual ISO range in terms of quality? Is that...
Yes, what we've actually done with this, as I said, we've got the high base ISO of 12800, but what's really exciting about this camera is its image quality at ISOs like 3200 or 6400. Those kind of image qualities, the image quality at those ISOs is really astounding.
Fantastic. And in terms of processors, this uses a dual processor, is that right?
Correct, yeah. This has now got our dual digit 4 processing involved in this. This gives you 8 channels of readout, which means that you can process RAWs at 10 frames per second. And the movie mode is obviously a really big feature that's come to this camera. Yes, we do 720 and 1080, and we're given a full range of frame rates as well, 30 frames per second, 25, 24, 50 and 60 frames per second.
Excellent. I mean, there's full manual control now on the...
Yes, this comes with full manual control.
So what else is new? I mean, the handling is obviously, it's a really sturdy camera, and in terms of the build, it's magnesium alloy again?
Correct, yep, and it has the same weather sealing as the Mark III as well, which is renowned for being very, very good. The other big difference with this is the autofocus system. The actual mechanics of the autofocus is the same as the Mark III, but its actual power and the way that it works is actually different. It's got 45 autofocusing points, which is the same as the Mark III, but now 39 of those are cross-type sensors, and actually you can select any of the 45 autofocusing points.
Are they f2.8 types?
Correct, yes.
What exactly does that give you in terms of?
That gives you the ability to, when you're using a 2.8 lens with this camera, it means that you're using the maximum amount of light entering the camera to actually gain focus, which means that you're getting a very, very accurate focus system.
Okay, this looks like a fantastic camera. So how much will it cost me, and when can I get one?
Recommended retail is $4499, and it should be available in December.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, David.
Thank you.